What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'll be walking you through purchasing NIM using Kucoin. Now the first step is to head over to Kucoin.com, or you can just click the first link in the description to get there nice and quickly. The next step is to sign up if you don't have an account yet. Basic sign up with just a password and email. Now I already have an account, so I'll just be logging in real quick. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with an assets overview. If you're not on this page, just head over to assets and then to main account. And that's where we need to go. So in this video, we'll be purchasing NIM or Nimiq using Bitcoin. And the way it works is you send it to your main account, and then you'll need to send it to the trading account to purchase the NIM, which we will see in a moment. So we're here at the main account, and I'm going to search for BTC, Bitcoin right there. And I'm going to be depositing a little bit of Bitcoin. So I'll just click deposit. And it'll give you your public wallet address, which you can copy with that little button right there. And I won't be going over getting Bitcoin, but if you don't have any yet, there's some popular places like Coinbase or Changely where you can acquire some using either a debit or credit card if you need to do that. But now that I have my address, I'm going to send over a bit of Bitcoin. Once your Bitcoin goes through, like it has here for me, the $20 worth of Bitcoin, you'll need to transfer it from your main account over to the trading account. So you just click transfer right there. I'm just going to select all of it and confirm the transfer. And this should be pretty instant. So if I head over to my trading account, I can see it's right here. So now that the Bitcoin is in my trading account, I can head over to the markets and purchase some NIM. So just give that a second. Once you're at the markets, you're going to want to search for NIM. And then right here, you'll see NIM/BTC. Click on that. So I know at first glance this can seem a little confusing, especially if it's your first time on a crypto exchange, but a lot of these different buttons you don't need to worry about. But just the basics is, of course, we have the chart here, so the current price of NIM and the history, but the NIM has currently been kind of climbing a bit. Over here we have where you'll be placing your orders. So we have for buying orders here, for selling NIM over here. This section right here is the order book. So this right here is the current going price for NIM. And then these right here are sell orders for more and more Bitcoin. So people willing to sell it for a higher price. And then down here are buy orders, people willing to purchase NIM for cheaper and cheaper. Now, if you want to get your NIM as quickly as possible, you're going to want to just select the price in the middle. So by simply clicking on that, it'll automatically fill your buy NIM price. And then right below, now I already clicked on it and I can already see the price changing because it's moving around so quickly. But then right below, I'll select how much NIM I'd like to purchase. So you can choose these predetermined amounts or type your own. I'll just be going with 100% since I just want to purchase all of my Bitcoin worth of NIM. And then I just click buy NIM. It'll create a order right over in the open order section, and then within a few moments it should fill. Okay, so I've been waiting here for a few minutes now, and the order still hasn't filled since the price jumped up a little bit. So if this happens and it just doesn't fill, you can cancel the order. And that was kind of loud. This is a real scenario that could happen. Now what you can do is select a higher price if you want to guarantee it'll fill it right away. So I'm just going to go with this one right above, and I can see that there's 9,000 NIM for sale. So I'll go with that price, choose 100% again, and then just buy the NIM. And I placed the order and it filled it instantly since that order was already there. You may not need to do that, but I just wanted to show it just in case. And right here I can see that I now have 7,000 NIM available. So from here I'm going to head back over to assets, just hover over it and then click on trading account. I'd recommend taking your NIM off of the exchange and putting it in your own wallet. This way you have control and custody of it. So once I'm in the trading account, I'll need to transfer it back over to the main account. So I'll just be transferring the total, confirm, send that over. And then if I head over to my main account, I can see that my NIM is right here. So to withdraw that, you just click withdraw. And then this is the part where you put your wallet address. So I'm going to head over to the Nimiq safe, and this is just a Nimiq account that I have. So from here, let's say I want to send it to this address. I'm just click that, copy the address, head back over to the exchange, paste that. I want to withdraw the max amount, so I'll just click on that. If you would like to put a remark, I don't need to. There is a small fee of 200, depends on the amount that you're transacting, and I'll just confirm that transaction. We'll need to do a little bit of security verification, so I'll just do that real quick. There we have it. The transaction went through nice and smoothly, and if I head back over to the Nimiq safe, I can already see that the transaction is coming through and it's just pending, but once that goes through, it'll be right here in my safe wallet. And there we go. The transaction just went through. So as you can see, it really was pretty simple, pretty straightforward to purchase some NIM with some Bitcoin. If you don't have a Nimiq safe account set up already, you can set that up for free from nimiq.com, link in the description. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments, or you can check out our Discord or Telegram and ask any questions you have over there. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.